Ensure all doors are unlocked and the key is out of the ignition. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine, and then back to the off position rapidly 8 times within 10 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock automatically, indicating that the programming mode has been activated. Within 15 seconds of the doors locking/unlocking, press any button on the key fob you wish to program. The doors should lock and unlock again to confirm the synchronization. Repeat step 4 for any additional key fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4. Make sure to do each within the 15-second window. Test each programmed fob to ensure it works correctly by pressing the buttons and verifying the corresponding actions, such as locking and unlocking the doors. If programming is unsuccessful, try again, ensuring the timing of the ignition cycles is precise. Common issues include timing errors or a weak battery in the key fob. If you encounter issues while programming your key fob, start by checking the battery. Ensure the key fob has a fresh CR2032 battery, as a weak battery is a common cause of programming failure. The speed of the ignition cycles is critical. Practice the on-to-off sequence to get the timing right. While aftermarket key fobs are available, OEM fobs offer better compatibility and reliability. If using an aftermarket fob, verify it is specifically designed for the 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. In rare cases, the body control module may be faulty. If programming consistently fails, a professional diagnostic may be needed to check the BCM. DIY programming saves an average of $150 compared to dealership fees. However, if uncomfortable with the process, seek professional assistance. DIY programming is legal, but be aware of theft risks if fobs are cloned. Reprogram periodically for security. If problems persist, visit a trusted mechanic.